Hi there everyone, thank you for tuning in once more for a product review by Meguiar's, and today we'll be talking to you guys about Meguiar's Ultimate Fast Finish. So before we do get into this, there's a couple of things that we'd like to show you and talk to you about. Starting off with the shampoo, which is the first stage of any detailing or any service job that you do on your car, because you need to make sure it's clean. And how you could get it clean is by something like this. So Meguiar's has introduced this, the ultimate in its most premium range, the wash and wax. This shampoo washes and leaves behind a wax layer as well, so that provides in a bit of durability as well. So moving on, you got your car ready, it's washed and clean. What else could you do? So this is something a lot of people are not really aware about, which is the clay bar stage. So this box right here has two clay bars actually, and what the clay bar does actually, it cleans up it picks up all the contaminants on the paint that the washing stage does not. So what you're left with behind is an extremely slick surface for you to work on, and whatever you use to coat it or seal it with will stick and provide a much more durable protection for a much longer time. So moving on, the ultimate fast finish. What do we have in this box right here? It is the spray can and a premium microfiber towel. And a small tip, whenever you do decide to work on your car with a microfiber, the microfiber does come with a tag, and make sure you pull this off before you work, because this does cause scratching. And talking about the Meguiar's Ultimate Fast Finish, if you have 15 minutes to wax your car or leave a coating on it behind to protect it from the elements, this is your product. 15 minutes, spray on and no buff off, which we'll show you in a short while. This does provide a slick look, a shine to the car, plus it does facilitate the sheeting of water, so you do not have it would reduce drastically the chances of water spotting or marring on your paint. Who wants that, right? So 15 minutes, if you have, you can lay down a layer of protection for your car, and this does, mind you, last for 4 to 5 months, depending on the conditions of how the treatment of how the condition of your paint is and what the car goes through. So keep that in mind as well. So Meguiar's has been there for the last 117 years. Durable protection, good stuff. And if you do like to purchase or you do like to get through to us, please do. We are on social media and we'd love to hear from you. So I'll say thank you for tuning in. We'll be hopeful to catch you next time for another episode. Thank you.